Hello everyone, I am back with one more question. So this is our today's question. The question is, let us first try to understand the question. The question is, if square root of 3 plus x plus square root of 3 minus x upon square root of 3 plus x minus square root of 3 minus x equals to 2. So this part is given to us, this equation is given to us. And with the help of this equation we will find out the value of x. So this part is given to us, and if this part is equal to 2, then x is equal to what? Question mark. So this we need to find out the value of x, and these are the options which are given to us: 7 upon 5 and 5 upon 12, 5 upon 7 and 12 upon 5. So these are the four options which are given to us. So let us try to solve this question and let us see out of this four option which one is the correct answer for this type of question. So moving ahead with the solution part. So first of all, this equation which is given to us, that we will write down here. So square root of 3 plus x plus square root of 3 minus x upon square root of 3 plus x minus square root of 3 minus x equals to 2. So this equation is given. Now this whole denominator part, this part we will shift here and we will multiply with 2. Both the terms we will multiply with 2. So this part I am shifting here. So our next step will be square root of 3 plus x plus square root of 3 minus x equals to, now this whole part I am shifting here, and if I will shift here, what will happen? This 2 which is already here on the right hand side, this 2 will be multiplied with these both terms. So I am doing it together. So 2 times square root of 3 plus x minus 2 times square root of 3 minus x. So this way we have shifted here and we have multiplied 2 with both the terms. So this will be our next step. Now moving ahead, now as you can see, here I have square root of 3 plus x, and here also I have square root of 3 plus x. Here I have square root of 3 minus x. Here also I have square root of 3 minus x. So now we are keeping the like terms together. So 3 minus x, this term, and 3 minus x, this both like terms we are keeping together. So this part I am shifting here. So this side, and this 3 plus x we will shift that side. So this side, square root of 3 minus x, this already it is given on the left hand side, so that I am keeping as it is, and this part I am shifting. So negative 2 will become positive 2. So whenever we shift any term from left hand side to right hand side or right hand side to left hand side, the sign gets changed. So minus 2 will become plus 2 and square root of 3 minus x. So this both terms we have kept here together equals to. Now this part we are keeping here as it is. 2 times square root of 3 plus x. Now here we have no number, means we can write 1. So 1 times square root of 3 plus x, this part I am shifting here, but this is positive. So when I will shift here, it will become negative 1 time, or if you don't write 1, then also it is understood that it is 1 time. So we are shifting it here. So minus square root of 3 plus x. Now this both terms can be added up. So this is 1 time and this is 2 times 3 minus x, square root of 3 minus x. So total it will become 3 times square root of 3 minus x. So just we are combining this, equals to. Now coming to this side, so 2 times square root of 3 plus x minus 1 times square root of 3 plus x. So this we will subtract. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. So only 1 time square root of 3 plus x will be left out. Now next step will be this 3 we will keep here, and this term I am shifting it here in the denominator. Now these both terms, they are in multiplication. So multiplication part will be shifted here, and what is opposite of multiplication? Division. So we need to change the sign. So this part we will shift here in the denominator. So what we will get? Square root of 3 plus x upon square root of 3 minus x. This term I am shifting here. Now this, both the terms have square roots. So here also square root and here also square root. So what we can do? We can write a single square root and we can write it like 3 plus x upon 3 minus x. So this part is equal to this part. So in place of this, we can write this. So square root of 3 plus x and square root of 3 minus x can be written as square root of 3 plus x upon 3 minus x. So this way we have written. Now, so our equation is 3 equals to this part, square root of 3 plus x upon 3 minus x. Okay. Now to remove this square root, what we will do? We will square up both the sides. So squaring both the sides. So both the sides we will apply square. So here 3 is there. So 3 square. And here this whole part we will square up. So I am writing square here and square here. Why we are writing square? Because we want to solve it. We want to get the value of x and we want to remove this root. Then only we can solve it, right? So for removing this root, what we will do? Squaring both the sides. Now, after you do this step, what will happen? 3 square will become 9. And this side square root will get removed with this square. So this root will get removed. So we are left only with 3 plus x upon 3 minus x. Now this 3 minus x we will shift here and we will multiply this with 9. So 9 into bracket 3 minus x, and this side we have 3 plus x. So this way we will get one equation. Now 9 3s will be 27 minus 9 into x will be 9x, and this side we have 3 plus x as it is. So this way we get equation. Now further we will solve it. So again we will keep like terms together. So I am doing it here. 27 and this 3, both numbers, both like terms we will keep together. So next step will be 27 minus 3. This 3 I am shifting here. Again we are changing the sign, and this side we have x, and this minus 9x we will shift that side. So we will get x plus 9x. Sign will change. This negative 9 will become positive 9. Whenever you shift the terms from left hand side to right hand side, the signs get changed. So here 27 minus 3 will give you 24, and this side you will get 10x. X plus 9x, this both can be added, you get 10x. So this 10x, 10 I am shifting again in the denominator. So 24 upon 10 equals to x. Now this can be cancelled. So both are divisible by the table of 2. So if you cancel this, what you will get? So let us do it with black color. Okay, so 2 5s is 10, and here 2 1s and 2 2s. So 2 12s is 24. So what is the value of x? Your x will be equal to 12 upon 5. So this will be your final answer. Okay, so x equals to 12 upon 5. So this will be your final solution for this type of question. So if you check out the option, 12 upon 5 is there in option D. So option D, 12 upon 5. This will be the correct solution for this type of question. So this was our today's question, and this was the solution. I hope you understood. Thank you.